Welcome to a new tutorial, guys. I'm going to explain about Extrude Cut in this tutorial. So what does Extrude Cut means? Extrude Cut means remove the material from body by using sketch or entity. So you can get this Extrude Cut command from this command manager, or simply go to insert, go to cut and extrude. So I just select the command from here, select the sketch. You can select the sketch whatever you want to extrude from this part as well. So I just selecting the sketch from display area. So in left hand side, it gives me a one property manager. I am selecting right now first command, line. Simply I can flip the side by using this reverse direction option from here, or simply dragging the arrow on reverse side. I can also give value by double click on this dialog box, or increase or decrease value by pressing this up and down button. Okay, so for now I'm keeping, I just place OK, and you can see the changes. If you want to edit the feature, simply right click, edit feature. Okay, and here if I'm going to flip the side, you can see the change. Whatever outside of this circle, it will going to cut, and whatever inside the circle, it's going to remain on other part body. Simply edit it, uncheck the flip option, go for another option, through all. So through all means in this direction, whichever body comes in the path of this extrusion, those all body are going to be cut by this sketch. Right now it doesn't go through because we have selected here in feature scope selected bodies, so we only selected one body. So for applying this body also, we are going to select all bodies, and you can see the change. So next option is through all both the side. So by clicking this option, we can cut by using this sketch in both the direction. That's mean if I have any kind of body in this right side, then by using single sketch I can cut in both direction by through all. Next option is up to next. So whatever the body and whatever the direction I'm selecting, let's say right now I have selected this left side direction, so it will going to cut only one body. It is not going to cut like through all, like whatever the body coming into the path. It's only going to cut one body. Up to vertex, you can select point or corner on body. Let's say I want to select this vertex, then nothing will happen because this extruded cut is extended till this face. It doesn't pass through this body. So if I click this option, then it's going to cut this first body, and if I click the vertex over here, it's going to cut both the body. Next option is up to surface. So I can select same like vertex, I can select surface, or I can select plane. You can see the changes in display area. Next option is offset from surface. So in offset from surface option, if we here we have selected this face, and we do not want to extend our extruded cut feature till this surface. We want some distance from that surface. Then we can give the distance by double clicking over here. Let's say I am giving 10 centimeter, or let's say 2 centimeter. You can see the changes in preview. So we can get by this option some offset from selected surface. You can also reverse the offset. So next option is up to body. So whatever the body I am going to select it, my extrusion effect is going till that body. So let's say I select this body, and you can see the preview. Or if I select this body, you can see the changes. So next option is mid plane. So our sketch plane acted as a mid plane. Now whatever value we are going to add, both the direction this extruded cut effect is going to produce. I simply show another important command, that is draft. So we can also input a draft here. Let's say I just clicking over here, activate the draft option, and I want draft of 5 millimeters, sorry 5 degree. So if I say yes, you can see the changes. Go to another important tool, from. So in this from box, we can going to determine start point of our extruded cut effect. So sketch plane is selected for default. If we want another plane or another surface for our start plane, then simply go to surface and surface place or plane option. And if I going to select this surface for my start point, and here in direction 1 I select another up to surface option and select another surface, then whatever between these two surfaces are going to cut. I can remain it blind. I delete this surface and select this surface, and I can flip the side. So whatever between this face and this blind value is going to be cut. So that means this body is going to cut. You can also select vertex from here. This is very important command. You need a practice to play with that all the options. It's very important and it's very helpful in your advanced modeling options. So next option is offset. So this will give us offset from our sketch plane. So let's say you need an offset of 3 centimeter. You can, whatever the value I am adding, you can see the changes over here. So we get an offset of 10 centimeter over here from sketch plane. Another tool I am going to discuss about, that is contour. Now activate Extrude Cut, and they are asking for sketch. So here I select sketch 5, and in contour option simply delete this sketch 5 and simply select circle and this rectangle as well. Flip the preview. See the changes. Now edit again. Delete this rectangle and see the changes over here. So we have only selected the body between this rectangle and this circle. That's why it gives us this type of preview. If you are going to select only rectangle, then only rectangle sketch is going to cut through these two body. You can also input contour option by right click on sketch, select contour select tool. You can select any contour. You can see the in preview wherever I am taking my cursor, contour is automatically select. Exit the contour, go to feature, extrude cut, and in contour option that rectangle is already selected. So friend, that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.